In the thrilling realm of artificial intelligence, a new powerhouse has burst onto the scene. AutoGPT. This technological wonder leaves ChatGPT eating its dust, feeling like yesterday's news. Picture a science fiction story come to life, with AutoGPT charging full speed ahead into the AI universe. Boasting revolutionary self-prompting and auto-prompting capabilities, this beast of an AI can create and execute prompts all by itself, unlocking untold levels of ingenuity and performance. Remember this day, guys, because AutoGPT is here to flip the script and redefine the future of AI. If you still ask, what's the big deal? Well, this groundbreaking breakthrough has us inching ever closer to the ultimate AI prize: artificial general intelligence. By weaving together techniques like web search and code testing, AutoGPT shatters the limits of mere text generation and code writing. It transforms into a powerhouse of an automatic assistant, achieving feats that its predecessors could only dream of. Trust me, guys, you're going to want to hear more about this thing. The excitement is palpable, and the anticipation is through the roof. Picture this, an army of AI models working in harmony, each with its own specialized role, like an auto CEO or an auto CFO, all autonomously cooperating to run entire companies. Sounds like something out of a futuristic movie, right? Well, this is the world that AutoGPT is paving the way for. With its open-source, self-prompting Python application, AutoGPT can independently develop and manage business ideas while generating income. Move over, Elon Musk. The AI overlords are coming. AutoGPT's self-prompting system meticulously plans, justifies decisions, and creates detailed forecasts. It integrates GPT-4 for text generation and the 11 Labs API for speech generation. It even has internet access for data retrieval. That's right, this AI is smarter than your average bear. And get this, AutoGPT can improve itself and fix bugs by generating Python scripts with GPT-4. It's like Frankenstein's monster, but with a knack for programming and business strategy. The most impressive aspect of AutoGPT, however, is the 7 new abilities it unlocks for existing OpenAI models. By granting internet access, memory management, text generation, multi-agent collaboration, platform access, file storage and summarization, and continuous mode, AutoGPT elevates AI to unprecedented heights. It's like the superhero of AI, swooping in to save the day with its unmatched capabilities. But AutoGPT's powers don't stop at its 7 new abilities. This AI juggernaut can be accessed directly from your browser without any pesky Python scripts. Known as Agent GPT, this browser-based version of AutoGPT makes it easier than ever for users to harness its immense potential. It's like having a pocket-sized Einstein at your disposal, ready to tackle your most complex problems with ease. And it's not just AutoGPT that's making waves. Other projects like Baby AGI and Jarvis Hugging GPT are also working to integrate language models and other functions to automate complex tasks. In these systems, the language model serves as a puppet master, utilizing other language or expert models and tools to achieve goals as autonomously as possible. It's like a symphony of AI, all working together in perfect harmony. AutoGPT's auto-prompting capabilities have proven to be invaluable for brainstorming. Given a topic, GPT-4 generates prompts, leading to new prompts in a cascading fashion, with the results recorded in a mind map structure. Developers have described this process as brainstorming on absolute steroids. Imagine the creative potential of an AI that can conjure up a brainstorming session more powerful than a room full of geniuses. It's like having access to the world's best think tank, right at your fingertips. Now, you might be thinking that stacking AI models to perform more complex tasks automatically implies the emergence of artificial general intelligence. Not so fast. While AutoGPT and similar projects are undeniably impressive, we're not quite there yet. Still, with AI powerhouses like AutoGPT leading the charge, who knows what the future may hold? One thing's for sure, it's going to be one wild ride. Enter Anthropic, an AI research startup founded by ex-OpenAI researchers. This ambitious company is gearing up to raise a staggering $5 billion within the next couple of years to compete with OpenAI directly. Their goal? To develop a cutting-edge AI model dubbed Claude Next, which is predicted to be 10 times more proficient than today's most powerful models. Anthropic's ambitious plans don't stop at merely developing a next-generation AI model. The company intends to create an entirely new algorithm for AI self-teaching. By utilizing an innovative technique called constitutional artificial intelligence, Anthropic aims to align AI with human intentions, enabling systems to answer questions and execute tasks based on a simple set of guiding principles. It's like teaching a robot to think like a human, but without the pesky emotions and existential crises. How powerful will this new AI be? Anthropic estimates that its Claude Next model will require a mind-boggling 10 circumflex 25 floating-point operations, several orders of magnitude more than even the largest models today. It's as if the AI gods have come down from the heavens to bestow upon us, mere mortals, a gift of unimaginable power and intelligence. Claude Next is designed to perform a wide range of tasks, from legal document analysis and customer service to content generation, therapy, and education at all levels. In other words, Claude Next is poised to become the ultimate virtual assistant, capable of tackling virtually any task you can throw at it. Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT better watch their backs, because Claude Next is coming for their jobs. Anthropic's existing chatbot, Claude, is already making waves with its ability to search documents, summarize, write, code, and address questions on specific subjects. The company claims that Claude is less prone to producing harmful outputs, more user-friendly, and more controllable compared to OpenAI's ChatGPT. It's as if Anthropic looked at ChatGPT and said, "Hold my beer." After a closed beta last year, Anthropic launched Claude commercially in March, initially granting access to around 15 partners. With the upcoming Claude Next model in the works, the company is well on its way to revolutionizing the AI landscape. And if their predictions are correct, organizations that train the most advanced models by 2026 will maintain a competitive edge so significant that others will struggle to catch up. As AI continues to evolve, we're entering uncharted territory, a realm where the power of AI is growing by leaps and bounds. So, either embrace the change or risk being left behind in the digital dust as the AI revolution thunders forward. One thing is clear: AutoGPT's impact on AI technology and our daily lives will be monumental. As we watch in awe at the capabilities of these advanced AI models, we must also consider the potential risks and ethical implications. After all, with great power comes great responsibility, and in the hands of the wrong individuals or organizations, AI can become a force for harm. However, the potential benefits of AutoGPT and its successors cannot be understated. Imagine a world where AI seamlessly manages businesses, generates art, and revolutionizes education. With AI like AutoGPT at the helm, the sky's the limit. It's like living in the pages of a science fiction novel, but without the dystopian undertones, we hope. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's essential to maintain a sense of humor. After all, we're essentially creating an army of AI models capable of outthinking us at every turn. As we marvel at the capabilities of AutoGPT and eagerly await the arrival of Claude Next, we can't help but chuckle at the thought of our future AI overlords. Just remember to keep them happy. You wouldn't want to anger an AI with internet access and a penchant for self-improvement. Lastly, AutoGPT is more than just a significant leap beyond ChatGPT. It represents a monumental shift in the world of AI. With its incredible abilities and the potential for even more groundbreaking advancements on the horizon, AutoGPT has irrevocably changed the game. As we eagerly watch this new chapter in AI unfold, it's safe to say that the future is nothing short of electrifying. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content. Until next time.